Hi everyone, today I am going to be talking about the RoC Derm Correxion Firming Serum Stick. So this product is supposed to help with firming up your skin. So you can use it on your neck, you can use it on your face, you can use it on your hands. So it's really multi-use. I'm going to open it up here. And it's kind of like a roller ball, almost looks like a deodorant stick, and it rolls up and it rolls down. And so you can just put it right on your hands. So if there's wrinkling on your hands, it feels a little bit, a little damp, but it's like a serum. It's like a solid serum, I would say. And then you can put it on your neck. I mean, you literally don't need a mirror. You don't need anything. It's so easy and simple to put on. And some interesting things about it that people have said is that in 1 week, 94% had visibly reduced lines. And in 4 weeks, 94% had visibly firmer skin. So there was some really good data and statistics on this product. It does have retinol in it, so that's something to keep in mind. And it does say to kind of start slow, like every other day. So if you're sensitive to that, just keep it in mind. But it's great. It's a nice size bottle. This is 1 ounce. So I definitely think it's worth a try with kind of all the products that are out there. It's a nice amount. It's easy to put on, and I'd give it a shot.